This building has been empty for years. Neil McAvoy, Assembly Member, South Wales Central. I'm in Llandaff today in Cardiff West. It's another example of an empty house. We'll take a look, yeah? Just run across the road quickly. But this is Newydd. It was owned by the local health board. It went out to auction. I think it was bought by a private individual. The bottom line is, this building has been empty for years. And if you look at the size of it, imagine how many people could be housed in such a building like that. As it is now, it's falling into disrepair. If you look at the top there, the roof is looking like it needs some attention. The bottom line is, this is just another example of a huge property which has been empty for years. People are crying out to be housed. People are desperate for one-bedroom flats. Families need also larger properties. You have 3-bedroom flats in there for adults. It's not rocket science, is it? So this campaign is ongoing, and we're going to keep on going until properties like this are filled with people who need to be housed. Diolch yn fawr.